What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Today is a sad video. I don't really want to have to do this, but there's stuff going on in the world and in my life that are directly influencing whether or not I can finish this project. So yeah, I'm gonna have to part ways and see if I can sell it. Yeah. Anyways, 1984 Monte Carlo SS with 4G63 and a W58 Super Tranny. There are obviously like 23 videos on my YouTube channel about this car. So if you want to see more detail, check out those videos. So basically, I'm in this car. I don't even want to add it up. Too much money. The motor alone, probably with the stroker kit, machine work, everything, $5 grand. Exhaust header, $1,000. Turbo, it was like another $1,000. It's a Garrett GTR. It's a Garrett GTX 3076R. Stainless steel exhaust. All the piping, everything's custom on it, obviously. Got an ACT 2600 clutch. The oil pan was $1,000. So with all the work, parts, everything, I'm probably in this thing 16 grand probably. With all the work and all the parts and all the labor and all the everything. Maybe more. I mean, I don't really know at this point. A lot of stuff I bought was OEM parts instead of like the cheap versions. So all the gaskets, all the everything was always the more expensive stuff. So realistically, I'd like to get half, like call it 9 grand. And if you're close, like Phoenix, Denver, somewhere in Texas, Houston, whatever, somewhere within an 8-hour drive for me from Albuquerque with a trailer, so doing 60-65 miles an hour, I would actually deliver for, you know, way cheaper than some kind of delivery thing, just to make the deal happen. So so hit me up in the description or in the comments. Hit me up on my Facebook group. Hit me up on Instagram. Pretty much however you want to get a hold of me. And if you really want it, let's make a deal. And I don't want to cry on the video, so I'm just gonna not. But thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for being a supporter. And it sucks that it's got to go like this, but you know, things happen you don't plan for, and that's that. So until next time, wrench on.